Welcome to Conceptual Thinkers Mathematical Trick. Today, we will discuss about Divisibility Test 3. Divisibility Test 3. The divisibility test of 3 states that if the sum of the digits of a whole number is a multiple of 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Let's use the following examples to understand better. Example 1. In 2787, the sum of all the digits give you 24. Since 24 is divisible by 3, it means 2787 is also divisible by 3. Example 2. In 4321, the sum of all the digits give you 10. Since 10 is not divisible by 3, it means 4321 is also not divisible by 3. Let's try to put what we know about divisibility test 3 into practice. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? 1234, 3678, 62490. You can share your answers in the comment box below. You can support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel Conceptual Thinkers and click on the notification bell to be alerted when we upload a new video. You can also like and follow our Facebook page Conceptual Thinkers Mathematics and English Hub. Thank you for your time and hope to see you in the next video.